Is it time to consider switching from MT4 to MT5 platform? Do you prefer MT4 or MT5? Leave your comment in the comment section below. There has been a lot of talk about the need for traders to switch from MT4 to MT5, as many brokers will stop using MT4 before the end of this decade. This year, we already saw many brokers announcing that they no longer supported several old versions of MT4. A brief history. MetaQuotes Software Corporation, which developed several financial trading software, released the MetaTrader 4, MT4, platform in 2005, and has become one of the most popular trading platforms for Forex brokers. Today, it is difficult to find a Forex brokerage that does not support MT4's platform. In 2010, MetaQuotes released MetaTrader 5, MT5, MT4's successor. But despite having more functionality and up-to-date features compared to its predecessor, MT5 has yet to dethrone MT4 as the #1 Forex trading platform. In 2017, MetaQuotes discontinued support for MT4 versions below 1065, add to growing concern the company will axe MT4 in the near future to further promote MT5. However, MetaQuotes released the latest version of MT4 in 2019. So the question remains, is it time MT4 users switch to MT5? Hi, welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing, so that you don't miss future videos. Remember to hit the like button just to motivate us to continue making these videos. By the way, if you are interested in making money online via trading etc., visit the links in the description box below. Let's get into today's video. MT4 utilizes MetaQuotes language for MQL4. There is a broad consensus that coding MT4 programs to MT5 is problematic, and is one of the primary reasons for many remaining with MT4. MT4's strongest feature is its ability to facilitate automated trading systems, custom indicators, expert advisors (EAs), using revolutionary tools, not only for the development, but also for back testing and optimization. EAs are often referred to as trading robots. Many experienced traders recommend testing an EA's performance in the financial markets before unleashing it on the live market and trading real money. In addition to MT4's coding functionality, the terminal boasts a multitude of technical analysis trading tools, serving the needs of most technical analysts. Traders are free to select any combination of technical indicators to formulate trading strategies, trading systems. The demo account feature can be used to forward test any interesting trading ideas. Like MT5, most Forex brokers enable access to mobile trading on MT4, allowing traders to trade on the go. Traders no longer need to remain glued to their computers, which was the case a couple of decades ago. With MT4, traders are able to monitor active positions and pending orders from any Android or iOS device. However, the most important thing is MT4 has proven a stable platform over the years. Glitches and bugs are rare. MT5 the future of the platform. MT5 utilizes MQL5 programming language. MQL5 is considered more user-friendly than MQL4, and boasts higher efficacy. End users are able to alter and redraft scripts. The programming language also does not require various functions to run in the background when executing an operation. More fundamental analysis can be conducted on MT5 than on MT4. MT5 features a built-in economic calendar, in place to provide data on macroeconomic events. The calendar may also be arranged to suit personal preferences, including setting the calendar according to a specific currency, USD or AUD for example, or importance. Advanced depth of market (DOM) features are available. MT4 comes with basic DOM on MT5. You can access market depth by right-clicking on the financial instrument, via the Market Watch feature, of choice and selecting depth of market, Alt+B. MT5 also allows both netting and hedging, whereas MT4 only permits the latter. For traders who like to lock their positions while keeping them open, they will of course choose hedging. Traders who prefer netting have no choice but to use MT5. On a micro level, MT5 offers more order types than MT4, 2 market orders, 6 pending orders, buy stop limit, sell limit and sell stop limit, 2 stop orders and a trailing stop loss. On a macro level, MT5 offers trading access to more markets as well. MT5 was designed to add new markets beyond Forex, through a centralized exchange. The verdict. In a nutshell, MT5 can do all the things MT4 can do, and more. However, this is not necessarily better for some traders. A useful analogy to draw on is TV can do all the things radio can do and more. Nonetheless, radio remains popular because the appeal of radio lies in its simplicity. Likewise, the appeal of MT4 also lies in its simplicity. For Forex traders who just want to trade the Forex market, MT4 is adequate. Some traders also choose to remain with MT4 due to algorithmic trading strategies having been coded with MQL4, which, of course, are not compatible with MQL5. For traders who want the added features MT5 brings, as well as access to other financial markets such as the stock market, it could be time to switch to MT5. If you learned something new in today's video, please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.